Today in this video, I will show you how to change the lock of this bicycle lock pad. So right now the passcode is 000. You can see that, and it is unlocking. So if we put back and then just change one pin, it is locked. Change back to 000, it's unlocked. So now I will show you how to change the lock of the bicycle lock pad. So for that, what you have to do is just rotate this one. So once you rotate that, put the passcode that you like. So I'll just make 111 for now. 1 1 1 1, and just turn this back, and now that's your desired password. So if you change it, it's locked. If you put it back to 111, it's unlocked, and it's not gonna work on 00 because we just changed the password to 111. I hope you know now how to change the lock of the bicycle lock pad. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.